Hello and welcome to Sianty Empowering Mobility. In this short video, we will explain Sianty platform. We will start first with the estimates page of the Sianty platform, a system built for managing vehicle repair and maintenance operations. At the very top, there's a navigation bar with tabs for dashboard, analytics, vehicles, estimates, job cards, work orders, and invoices. Right now, we are on the Estimates tab, which is highlighted in purple to show it's the active page. Below it, users can search estimates by VIN or plate number. Next to the search bar are 4 status counters: all, open, closed, and cancelled, plus an open estimate button to create a new one. The main section lists all estimates as individual cards. Each card shows the vehicle's brand, model, and plate number on the left, the customer's name and phone number in the middle, the status, open, closed, or cancelled, and on the right, the estimate number, creation date, and an edit icon. To make a new estimate, click on the Open Estimate icon. This opens the Create Estimate pop-up, asking the user to choose the customer type. There are 2 options: Cash Customer for walk-ins, scan the VIN, or search to find an existing vehicle, and Contract or Fleet for accessing fleet data to open job cards and manage company vehicles. After choosing Cash Customer, this page opens, showing the Create Estimate screen with a search bar. Below that, there's a list of vehicles already registered in the system. On the right side of each row, there's an action button that changes depending on the vehicle's current status. View Estimate, if an estimate already exists. View Work Order if it's currently in a work order. View Job Card if a job card has been created, or simply Create if no estimate has been made yet for that vehicle. Next to each action button, there's a 3-dot menu icon for more options. On the right side, there are 2 buttons: Register Vehicle, used to add a new vehicle that isn't in the system yet, and Create Estimate, used to open a new estimate directly. After we choose Create a New Estimate, this page will open. At the top, there's the estimate header showing the estimate number. There's a status badge showing Add Vehicle button to link a vehicle to this estimate, and a menu icon for more options. Below that is the Estimate Item section, where all the items added to this estimate will appear. Next to the section title, there's a comment icon for adding notes, and a plus button used to add new items. Clicking this plus button opens a small drop-down with 3 options: Services Packages, Services, and Parts Group. After clicking on the service icon, this page opens, showing a list of available services to add to the estimate. Each card in the grid represents one service, showing its name in both English and Arabic, a unique service code, and its sale price in AED. There's a checkbox on each card to select the services you want to add. There's a cancel button to close without adding anything, and a confirm button to add the chosen services to the estimate. After adding the service, we will confirm, and it will take us back to the Estimate Items page. On the left, the Estimate Items list now shows the added services. Underneath, there are 4 small icons: Attach a file, Apply a discount percentage, Download, and Print. On the right, the Service Detail panel shows the selected services. Next to the service, there's a plus icon to add parts to it, and a 3-dot menu for more options. If you click on the button next to the plus icon, a menu opens where you can edit the price, the quantity, and the service time. After you finish, you will print the estimate to take the signature from the customer. Then click on Create Work Order. By that, you have done the estimate. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.